What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. This video will be a little bit on different topic than what we usually discuss. We discuss about visas and immigration, PR process, student life and life in Canada. But in this video, I'm going to discuss how I landed my freelance clients in digital marketing. You guys already know that I work in digital marketing. I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering but shifted my career to digital marketing. And my visa was expiring in April 2019, so I left my job in last week of March 2019. And when I let my company know that I'm going to India, my visa is expiring, I was already working full-time in that company, and the company offered me some freelance projects. They offered me opportunities where I can work from India and where I can provide them some reports or do any other work, because most of the work we do is everything on laptop and everything can be done through Google Chrome or any other softwares or platforms which you can install on your computer. So I used to work even when I stayed in India. I stayed for 6 months, and for all that 6 months I used to work for the same company on freelance basis. And while I was doing these freelance projects, I was also doing some small projects on Fiverr, let's say editing videos or editing some website or those kind of stuff. And I used to get paid from Fiverr or from clients who contacted me through Fiverr. And with that, one day I also got another job opportunity. The client was from Russia and they emailed me, they contacted me on Fiverr and they asked me if I can work on this small project. So I started working on that also. So when I was in India, I had almost 2 to 3 clients and almost around 4 to 6 projects I was working on. And then in October 2019, I came back from India. And after that, I made up my plan to work more on a freelance basis instead of trying to find a full-time job. I was also searching for a full-time job for other companies also, because when I came to Canada, I didn't have any other job. There were some interviews scheduled. I passed some of the interviews, but I wasn't selected in the last round. And then I started contacting companies on LinkedIn, and I would send emails to lots of people who are also working in digital marketing, let's say founders, directors, or immediate managers. And I would get replies from some of the people. And once we contacted more, and once I tried to explain them what my experience is, what kind of things I have worked on, what kind of platforms I have worked on, so they again gave me some more freelance projects. And the same way I started working more. So from January 2020 until April 2020, I again worked on more freelance projects. I tried to get more experience on freelancing. And after that, I lost 2 projects due to Corona and I was almost jobless. I was unemployed. And again in June 2020, I landed some more projects. So right now I'm working from home as a freelancer. And if you'd like to learn more about digital marketing or any platforms in digital marketing, or how to advance your career in digital marketing, please let me know in comments, and I will try to share some of my experience on same. I will try to show you how I usually work on different platforms, so that you can also gain some knowledge. And hope you find this video helpful. Do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. And if you have any other question, please drop in comments and I will try my best to reply as soon as possible. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.